Oh, there's little ducklings. Get it. Oh. Look at this one. Hi, dear. Hi, dear. Hi. Hi. Oh. Look at all this. Not even letting them have any. Okay. No more. Come here. Here you go. Oh, you two, y'all are being greedy. Y'all are being greedy. Yes, you are. You're being greedy. You want some? Here you go. Y'all are being greedy. Look at all you being greedy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Y'all are being greedy. Bunch of ducks on this side too. Here's these two come running. I don't have any more food. I was going to put a little bit of dry food out while I'm walking out for the cats, but I'll put some out later. Ah, they got a nice little place to swim here. It's a nice little pond. Better than that canal. There's a bunch of ducks out here. Look at all the birds on the other side. And here comes these two. And the greedy ones over there. The white ibis. I like to hear the way they honk. I don't have any more. I have to get some more. Okay? Sorry. It's a bunch. These are mallard ducks. These are muscovy ducks. That's white ibis. And the gray bird in the water, that might be a heron. That's a blue heron. I'm sorry, I don't have any more. Were you the ones that I used to feed over there by the canal? Oh, surprised they still have little ones out there. I've seen little babies, it looked like. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's a young one over there. Maybe they're not little babies. But they're not that old either, huh? How would you do? And I like the way they wag their tail like a dog. Where you going? Don't walk in the road. You gonna walk to the store? I pet you. You're like, great. Now you smell, you got that dog smell on me. Look at his face. He's upset. She's been cheating on me every time she walks somewhere. She's petting something. She comes back smelling like another animal. Oh, yes, I did. I seen a gorgeous Akia being walked. And I've seen this lady walk another dog. I've never asked her, but I think she must foster dogs or something, because she has different dogs with her. Anyways, this dog started walking up to me, and wanted me. She said she's very friendly, and she likes pets. So Mama said, "Okay, I'll pet you." And Remy's like, "Ah." Say, "Mama, you smell like that dog. You smell like a dog. This time." But Mama loves the animals. I love to pet the animals. Want me to pet him. What am I going to do with you, cat? He's upset.